What's up? Hiking with Guido on the AT. This is day 2 in the Shenandoahs. It is poured down rain. I think it's about 6 days straight of some type of rain. It's probably 5 days that it's been pouring. It just stopped. So this is the trail. You're going to come down here. This is supposed to be a little stream. That's where the trail continues. Now you can see why my feet are going to be so wet. Because I'm going to have to forage this. Or whatever you want to call it. So here it goes. Well, we're back on the trail. So that's why my feet, I guess, have been getting waterlogged like crazy. I don't care what kind of boots you have. You ain't crossed that stream and not getting your feet wet. Hey, day 2 of the Shenandoahs. We're going to try to do about a 20-some mile a day average all the way through the Shenandoahs. That's my plan. And hopefully I can see some really cool sights and show you what John Denver's been singing about and what John Denver wrote songs about. Hopefully the sun comes out, get to see some rainbows and some pretty cool sights. And we get to find out what inspired John Denver to sing them songs about the Shenandoah River. So, hey, this is Guido. Happy hiking, guys, even in the rain.